Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how to operate the EPS Batch Pre-expander Machine. After the machine is powered on, tap the screen switch button in the lower right corner to enter the recipe selection interface. Select the appropriate recipe according to the required expansion density of the raw material. Before starting the expansion process, all valves and related components should be tested. Return to the main interface and tap the manual operation button to start the agitator motor. Then activate each valve from the screen to verify that it is functioning properly. After confirming that all settings are correct, tap the screen switch button again to enter the operation selection interface and select Preheating. The machine will begin the automatic preheating process. Typically, after 3 to 4 preheating cycles, the temperature will reach approximately 88 degrees Celsius. When the corresponding yellow indicator light turns on, the preheating process is complete. The preheating time is preset in the recipe, and the machine will stop automatically when either the set time has elapsed or the target temperature has been reached. Once preheating is finished, enable the weighing function. For the first production run, press the Auto Once button for testing. This mode is equivalent to semi-automatic operation, completing one full production cycle before stopping automatically. After confirming that the machine is operating normally, press the Auto button to switch the machine into continuous automatic production mode. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.